Manifest $1,000, $10,000, $50,000, $100,000 or more using mirror work. And hold on, I have a special technique you won't find anywhere else. Hi, everyone. Robert Zink, your miracle mentor and alchemy success coach. And today we are soaring high like a big, beautiful eagle, and we are always flying in the direction of your dreams and your goals. High flyers, it doesn't make any difference what you desire to manifest: money, love, happiness, a specific person, joy, health, renewal, whatever it is you desire to manifest. If you have fear and doubt and worry and anxiety and limiting beliefs, it's going to be a struggle, because those are counter to the law of attraction. They're counter to manifesting the life you deserve and desire. We believe you deserve the money you desire, the love that you crave, and the health and happiness that you absolutely depend on. Manifest your perfect destiny begins on 11/11. It's 3 days, 11/11 through 11/13, in beautiful Sedona, Arizona, in the heart of the vortex. You're going to get your manifesting vortex working like you've never done before. This is not motivational. This is hardcore teaching. This is hardcore transformational. You're going to transform from somebody who wants things in life to somebody who is receiving what they desire. Look, we have people coming already from India, from Switzerland, from Germany, from Australia. Why don't you join us too? This is your chance to change your life, to take it to a whole new level. I mean that. Manifestyourperfectdestiny.com. We're almost 50% sold out, and here we are, just the first part of August. So register now. Hey, look, you can make the plans later. You can make the plans later. You can figure out how you're going to get there and all of that later. We'll help you with that. But get registered now. Manifestyourperfectdestiny.com. So, high flyers, how would you like to manifest 1,000, 10,000, 100,000, even more using mirror work based on the law of assumption? I've been using mirror work for years, and it is absolutely a game changer in manifesting the money that you deserve and that you desire. Now, I know you're going, Robert, why are you talking about mirror work? There are several people on YouTube that talk about mirror work, but I'm going to give you a specific technique plus a bonus that you may not even be aware of, something that you can do special to speak directly to your subconscious mind. This is amazing, and it really works. You see, the problem is most people leave out one big secret that almost guarantees that whatever you desire to manifest when it comes to money, you will manifest. Now, in my own journey, I've used mirror work to start businesses. I've used mirror work to bring in $10,000, $50,000 in a single day. I've used mirror work to bring in new cars and new opportunities and discounts. I bought a beautiful Rolex watch at about a third of the price, brand new. Okay. New red-eye Hellcat, new home, great family, great lifestyle. You can use mirror work too, because it really works. And it's particularly powerful when it comes to money. In my own journey, I've helped people raise millions of dollars to start a business. They're very successful now, several of them. I've helped somebody win over $1 million on the lotto. You can go to our website, lawofattractionsolutions.com, and see the testimonials, see the pictures. It's all right there. You can easily manifest 5,000, 10,000, even more. You can even become the first millionaire in your family. So, high flyers, what is the secret to successful mirror work? Before you can stand in front of your mirror and start telling yourself all the things that you desire, all the money that you desire in your life, you need to clear away old doubts, pain, fears, limiting beliefs that are stuck in your subconscious mind. You need to love yourself. Look at, when you look yourself in the mirror, what you're really doing is building a bonding relationship, a love relationship with yourself. The more you love yourself, the more you will believe in yourself. The more you believe in yourself, the greater your confidence. The greater your confidence, the higher your vibration. The higher your vibration, the more money you will attract into your life. High flyers, one of the secrets to mirror work, to attracting money into your life, is it needs to be done in the morning and it needs to be done in the evening. It can't just be done once a day. Most people will tell you, just do it once a day, but you're going to do a different type of mirror work in the morning than you do in the evening. So a moment ago, I was talking about building a bond with yourself. Morning mirror work is about clearing old pain, clearing old doubts and fears and anxieties. It's about clearing. The more you clear, the easier it is to manifest literally anything. So, high flyers, your morning affirmations that you're going to use as you're staring yourself in the mirror. You look yourself in the eyes. I actually kind of look right about at the third eye in the mirror, like so. You're going to use these powerful affirmations. You're going to need to commit them to memory because you don't want to be looking down at your script and then looking back up, looking down at your script and then looking back up. You want to be looking yourself directly in the eye when you're doing your mirror work. So your morning mirror work, as I said, is different than your evening. Here are your morning mirror work affirmations. I am free from limiting beliefs that have restricted my flow of wealth. I release all doubts and pain from the past that have robbed me of my prosperity. I am confident because I know money is too easy to make. Now, I recommend that you get showered, get cleaned up, get your hair combed, get your perfume on, get your cologne on. Do whatever you have to do to get ready for the day. Whatever it is you do. And then do your morning mirror work. I would do each affirmation 3 times before I go on to the next one. In the evening, when you come home, perhaps you're in your casuals, you're in your workout clothes, maybe you're even in a bathrobe. Do your evening work about maybe an hour, half hour before bedtime. Here is your evening mirror work. Again, looking yourself in the eye, making direct eye contact with yourself. Your affirmations are memorized. Say each one 3 times. I am deserving of all the money I desire. I am easily manifesting $100,000. I may not know how or why or when, but I know I already have it. I am a magnet of money, prosperity, abundance, and gratitude. Now, high flyers, it's the second affirmation where you put the dollar amount, and that's important. You can use $100,000. That's what I did in the example, or you could put any amount that is appropriate for you. Try to make it as believable as possible and then stretch it a little bit further. So I believe I can do this. Now stretch it a little bit further. Okay. That's probably the best advice I can give you. If you make it too far out of belief, then it's going to be more challenging. Doesn't mean you can't do it. It's just going to be more challenging. May take a little bit more time. Begin expecting money to come into your life immediately. Immediately. Look for opportunities. Look in your mailbox. Look at your lotto ticket. Expect a raise. Expect money to come into your life. High flyers, I believe you were born to be rich. I really believe this. Now, a bonus. Here's a technique I have used for, I'm going to say 40, 40 years on and off. So you go to a craft store and you get a frame like so. And you take the glass out of the frame and you paint the back of it black with spray paint. And you want to use a flat colored spray paint. Okay? Very simple. Now you have this mirror that's black. Simply do your mirror work in front of the black mirror. It's like talking directly to your subconscious mind. The black mirror represents your subconscious. Can you do both? Yes. Can you just do a regular mirror? Yes. Can you use the black mirror? Absolutely. I like the combination of all three. So in the morning, I use my regular bathroom mirror. In the evening, I use my dark mirror because I'm going to speak to my subconscious before I fall asleep. There you have it. That's it. It works. Send me a little letter. Send me an email. Let me know when you got your first 100 grand because I'm expecting it. I absolutely am expecting it. Here's some other videos to help you on your journey.